Okay, so now we're going to go, while you're in YouTube Studio and you've got all of your content listed, you will see this button appear. And this is the Tubebuddy Bulk and Miscellaneous Tools. Now, we're going to look at some of these now. I'm going to do a full video click magnet soon, so don't worry about that. And we'll talk about channel backup later. Don't worry about monetization for now or that. And also, on this, you can bulk edit the cards. The cards are the things that you can show on all of your YouTube videos, either end screens or cards. And if you are using them, I don't actually use them. You can update, delete, or copy or change the cards. I'll have to learn it because I'm now a Tubebuddy expert. But I'm just going to use this bulk video processing and find and replace text. So this applies. Say you've got a channel like mine that's getting quite a lot of videos now, like 200 videos. And for example, with me, I've got all the new stuff I put in every video, you know, description of the program or software I'm reviewing, you know, all the things I put in every video. And then at the bottom, I include my standard, hi, I'm Phil and I review software. If you want to, you know, get me to review software, here's my email, that, right. So for example, so on one of my videos, let's go to one, find one quickly. Sorry about that. Where is it? Yeah. So that's just, for example, the start of the paragraph that I have in all my videos. Hi, I'm Phil, and my channel does exactly what it says. I review software. Right. So say I want to change that text across. I've lost it now. Bear with. Here we go. That'll do. Across everything. I can paste that text in there. And I could change that to, for example, let's say I wanted to change it on every single... I'll actually do this to show you. Copy, and I'm going to paste it in here. Paste. Says on the tin. And say I wanted to change that across my entire YouTube channel. Okay. See what it's doing here? It's very clever. Can I scroll through or scan through here? I'm annoyed because I've got a dodgy mouse here that's not got a scroller. I need to get that fixed tomorrow. Oh, here we go. So, at the moment, on all of my channels, it says, hi, I'm Phil, and my channel does exactly what it says. I review software that makes mine and your life easier. Now I'm going to change it. Hi, I'm Phil, and my channel does exactly what it says on the tin. So I'm going to press continue now. It's going to look in the descriptions. It's going to include partial word matches, and it's going to hopefully change that text. I want to search a full list of my videos. I'm going to do it on all of my videos. Press continue. It's searching all of my videos. It has found that in, well, most of my videos. Scroll through. Press continue. Select all. I want it to run. I'm going to select all so it runs it. Give it a second while it catches up on all of my videos. And I press continue. Please confirm that I'm going to change that text to that text. So let's just have a look at a video before we confirm it to see that they all say, hang on. So where's one of my videos? Bear with. Any video will do.
Move to digital spend management with Soldo. Make light work of online purchases and subscriptions from a single dashboard. And with spend tracking on company cards,
so you can see there that currently it just says on that video,
Soldo,
does exactly what it says. All right, for you. Or take. So now I'm going to try and change it. I'm going to not be able to find it again now. Bear with. Is that one? Yes. Do I want to do that in 184 videos? Yes. Press start. And you can see, it's impressive, isn't it? It is bulk processing them. No errors so far. Going through the list. Processing all the videos. What was the video I was looking at then before? It was neuter. So, has it done neuter yet? See what I'm doing? I want to check and see if it's done it so you can see. Has it done neuter yet? Not yet. Neuter. It's done neuter. So now when I refresh neuter, hopefully it will say on the tin. All of that just to show you how clever that was. Oh dear. If it's not worked now, I'm just going to give up on this.
Who needs a 5-star hotel when you have
Cross
a
your
million?
fingers after all that. Let me pause that so you can hear it. Cross your fingers now. What does it say on neuter? Boom. And it's changed that to what it says on the tin. So you can bulk change the text and descriptions and titles on all your videos. We will fast forward through that bit of the bit in the middle while it was doing it and processing it. But very impressive tool.